The nature-nurture problem questions the extent to which genetic inheritance and environmental factors contribute to human development. Behavioral genetics study how genes and the environment work together to influence behavior. Often, adoption studies, where adoptive parents raise a child of a different genotype, is the most common form of behavioral genetics research to observe the influence of an environment on an individual. Adoption studies also fall within a class of methods called quantitative genetics, which is the study of characteristics that rely heavily on statistical models to determine the degree of genetic and environmental similarity among organisms. Twin studies, which involves the comparison of the similarity between monozygotic and dizygotic twins, is another quantitative genetics research method. Heritability is a statistical concept used in quantitative genetics to determine the extent to which variation in a trait is dependent on genetic predisposition. It varies from 0 to 1, 0 indicating all phenotypic variability is a result of environmental factors, and 1 indicating all variability is a result of genetic factors. However, the use of the heritability factor can be misleading because, as seen in the study of plant height, the variation of height is attributed only to genetics, but differences in environment, like nutrient-deficient soil, can still affect plant height. Behavioral genetics and the question of nature-nurture is still a growing field of research that is constantly changing to attempt to determine the effects of genetic factors and environmental influences of phenotype.